Turn that distracting hum into pure audio gold with this quick Premiere Pro guide to background noise removal. Every content creator faces it, that persistent hum, buzz, or hiss that degrades your video's audio quality. Today, we're going to tackle that hidden using Adobe Premiere Pro, ensuring your audience hears you, not the environmental distractions. First, locate your audio clip in the timeline with the clip selected. Navigate to the Essential Sound panel. If you don't see it, go to Window, then Essential Sound. This is our central hub for audio adjustments. From here, the fastest way to start is by setting the clip type. I'm going to select Dialogue, as this gives Premiere Pro context for what kind of sound it's dealing with. This helps the software apply the most relevant tools. Now, we'll dive into the repair section. You'll see a reduce noise option. This is our magic wand for eliminating unwanted background sounds. Click the checkbox next to it to activate the effect. As you drag this slider to the right, Premiere Pro intelligently analyzes and removes persistent background noise. Start with a small adjustment, perhaps around 1015%, and listen carefully. You don't want to overdo it, as that can make your voice sound unnatural or robotic. For an extra boost in clarity, explore the Speech Enhance option. This further refines your dialogue, making speech even clearer. Like reduce noise, use this subtly. A little goes a long way here too. Listen to the difference. That background hum is significantly reduced, and your voice is much clearer. Remember to always listen back to your adjusted audio in context with your video to ensure it sounds natural and complements your visuals. And there you have it. By utilizing the Essential Sound panel's reduce noise and speech enhance features, you can drastically improve your video's audio professionalism and provide your viewers with a much cleaner, more engaging listening experience. Happy editing!